Hey folks, you want to see something funny? This is a Hyundai relay. This is a starter relay. Okay, got the numbers right there. 95220-2S000. This is a starter relay, and it's also a multi-purpose relay for other things on Hyundai and other cars. Kia is the same thing, as you can tell. All right, but check this out. The dealer wanted this like $27 to almost $35, depending on what dealer they're going to deal with. So I went to Autozone Duralast to buy their model. Okay, and this is the part number that they have. It's 16. Let's see if I can do it without the light here. It's 16276. Okay, 16276. This was $24.99. If you get a 10% discount, it'll be cheaper than that. Comes out with the tax almost $24. So when I open it up, oh my goodness, check this out. It's an original Hyundai relay. All right, it's a Hyundai relay in a Duralast box, and it's a little bit cheaper than Hyundai themselves. Okay. You can see this is the newest style. Okay, you see the Kia design? They don't have that one no more. The newest one is this one. Okay, so usually when you see a relay available in the aftermarket under the Kia name, this must be a popular item that goes bad. All right, and you see the difference in the color. This is black. This is like a little tan color. All right, and if you ever buy a relay, people, and you open the box, and you want to see if it's ever been plugged in before or it's been used, because if you buy something that's plugged in or used, you want to make sure that it's under warranty, or just go get another one. Okay, you see the blades are nice and clean. On a relay that's been plugged in, you're going to see a little gouge. See it? All the way around. Every blade is going to have a little mark in it. That means somebody plugged it in and they used it. So if you ever buy a brand new relay, check the blades, make sure that it's not marked. Because if it's marked, that means somebody tested it. They bought it, they tested it, didn't solve whatever the problem that they solved, they threw it back in the box and they got their money back. You don't want something that somebody had tested. Right? This is with anything that has the blade connectors. Anything that you buy with a blade connector, always check to make sure that it has not been marked. If it is, go get another one. Especially if you're going to spend a lot of money on it. You don't want somebody else's used item. All right, you can see the scratch marks there. All right, that's it. A Kia relay in a Duralast Autozone box. Amazing, right? All right, I've seen them before. I've seen Chrysler parts in a Duralast box too. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't think AutoZone sells bootleg stuff all the time. Ciao.